With a changing resource mix, including intermittent renewables, Wolverine Power Cooperative needed more versatility and flexibility in its generation. After looking at a number of different technologies and locations, Wolverine decided on a 440 megawatt natural gas peaking plant to be located in Elmira Township near Gaylord.
In terms of infrastructure, we're very close to natural gas. We were right on top of Wolverine's existing electric infrastructure and very close to ITC's infrastructure, the heart of the northern Michigan grid.
They had a really aggressive time frame because they wanted the plant in service by June of 2016 to serve the summer peak load in northern Michigan.
We had a lot of meetings up front, early 2015 timeframe to figure out what Wolverine can do, what ITC could do to help meet our timeline. We had a lot of problem solving we had to get done. ITC helped greatly with their studying of the northern Michigan grid. We had some significant line upgrades that needed to be done, especially to get the plant lines out into our existing right-of-way. So there was a portion of right-of-way where we had a single circuit running down it back towards Gaylord that we upgraded to a triple circuit line. It's actually the first triple circuit line we've ever had.
For ITC, we needed to rebuild between 2 and 3 miles of 138 kV transmission lines to a double circuit tower with a lot bigger conductor. Plus we needed to add a bunch of breakers at our Livingston substation. So to work through those, we just had a lot of coordination meetings, both internally and externally, to try to come up with the best system plan that would suit the needs of the generation and bring them on as quickly as possible.
We had 6 different transmission and distribution substations that we built either new from the ground up or redesigned existing substations. So the 2 of the major substations on the transmission side of the house were our Van Tile substation, which ITC now owns, that Wolverine worked with ITC to build, and also our Advance substation up towards Boyne City. Those were greenfield sites where we built those transmission stations from the ground up.
Our engineering and supply chain groups were really proactive up front to anticipate the needs of these updated bigger conductors and bigger towers, and they really worked with our vendors early on in the process to make sure that we had the required equipment in time to meet our expedited construction schedule.
So everything came together at the end. A lot of hard work went into that, and we have some great personnel at Wolverine who really helped achieve that, and great interaction with ITC to help that get done.
What really helped us was reaching out early to the stakeholders and making sure everybody, all the parties, were really in tune with the plan from the beginning. I think it really speaks volumes to ITC's expertise in the transmission field that we can come up with such an expedited plan and really execute on that plan to meet the customers in service state.
It's very significant to the northern Michigan grid in terms of stability and cost impact to our members. It's critical for our members to have a good power supply and a cost-competitive power supply, and this plant fits right in that philosophy that we have for our members.